Oh hey, welcome to the Nomad Outdoors show. Going out for the afternoon hunt. Oh, evening hunt.
It's nice.
What's nice?
The weather.
It is nice.
Nice day to be in the woods.
Yeah.
Should we put on the sun killer?
What?
Should we put on?
Oh yeah, you gonna shoot me with it?
Oh, we should do it just to have it on film.
Find that so humorous.
Well, I was going to be a good hunting buddy and spray old KrulDog with some scent killer. And I accidentally tightened it to a solid stream and just sprayed him right in the chest with it.
Yeah, like I got shot, for Christ's sake.
Your reaction, honestly, was the best. You just stopped and looked down and was like, oh, that's just great.
That worked out well.
Solid shenanigans.
Alright. He's gonna throw whiz. Look at that. I see him. Haven't really been doing any recording on the way out because I haven't had anybody to walk out with. So now I do. Oh, we're going walking out together. Just like a happy family. Alright, this is hard to hold the camera and talk at the same time. So we're gonna look for deer, walk back to our tree stand. Oh, I think it's October 6th today.
So
Something like that.
sounds right.
Alright then. We'll see you in the tree stand. Keep going for you, just right around that way. Literally around that hole around my trail. So you just go right there and then cut right back in. You do the same thing Keith does, you walk off camera.
Well, because I'm trying to get to my tree stand.
Okay. Go get to your tree stand then.
I thought you wanted to go see the trail.
What trail?
The trail I cut in.
I can go there. I didn't know what I was doing. I don't know what I'm doing.
I should have walked to my other tree.
What's that?
Plenty of options.
Alright, bye.
us together in a tree stand together. That would never work. They're not big enough. But we're coming up on the end of the night here. I've heard some stuff, but I've seen a squirrel messing around by me, so might have only been that. Kind of might hear some branches where I've always heard them from my other side of the swamp. But tonight it's now the opposite direction because my flip sides. I'm still not close enough to see it if it's there or not, so. But we're gonna sit out the night, probably all the way till dark because it's a lot nicer today, so just figured I'd give you an update, one last peek in from the early weekend. Hope you guys enjoy the season. Thanks for the loyal fans.
You know, a story should have a beginning and an end, which is why a lot of times I videotape a little bit at the end of the hunt so that it gives closure to the story. If I shot a deer, that could be the end of the story. But when I don't shoot a deer, this is the end of the story. So, today now is the end of the day and the end of the story. And the story is not an exciting ending. I don't know what to tell you. Look at our show more like an outdoorsman's journal, video journal, the trials and tribulations of hunting white-tailed deer in the state of Michigan. This year, we have a banning bait. We have a restriction on types of deer lures and things that you can do. So this is going to be bow hunting is what we primarily do, and not to say that we had always put down bait, but it does bring the deer closer to you. You know, 25, 30 yards. That's what we're looking to shoot. And you hope to set up on a trail that deer are running on, but you don't know. You never know. I guess we could put trail cameras out. That would have let us know for sure. But our eyes and our ears are our best trail cameras. That's what we're doing. Video journal entry. Captain's log. Start date October 6th, 2019. 19:15 hours. Got about 20 minutes daylight left, but if I wait till then there won't be any video light to be able to talk to, so I'm ending it now. But if we shoot something in the next 20 minutes, you'll be the first to know about it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, we gotta get some chow ordered. I gotta change my engine oil and check my tire pressure system, all those things. That was it. We didn't see nothing tonight. We're second guessing everything, as we always are. But it was only, what, 3 nights to hunt?
Yeah, and it's early season.
So
we've never hunted this early.
Yeah,
regularly out here, so deer movement could be different.
Alright, we're gonna order some chow and head back and see GrayBear.
Yes.
It makes it look like I'm
that son of a bitch.
You know, like I've got a cameraman waiting in the background telling when. And tonight's news is, it's like you got me. You. All right, you did it on purpose. Look at
so you know what this is, right?
You know what these things are? Burrs that have been sticking to your clothes.
Yeah.
A hot cup of Joe.
No, this is season 7, dog.
Season 7?
That's
I
7
wonder.
years.
Here's a question for you.
7 years in Nomad Outdoors.
What was the first year that we started hunting together?
That was...
That's not 7 years. It's more than 7 years ago.
His first youth season hunt, I think.
And was that when you were 15, 16, 14, 13?
He was... When's the last time you could hunt
13.
as a kid?
The last time?
Yeah.
14, but I think
I think you have to be... You can have turned 16 like that year, I think.
Because I think he hunted the first year, and he did not hunt the second year, so he had to been
15
or 16.
I thought I was younger than that.
Because Kenny hunted the next year, and that was his last year.
Right now.
This is a trick question. What year is this?
2019.
This is about 15 years. We've been
16. It was 2003. It's 2019.
right.
He's a math guy, so
15, 16 years.
we've come to that conclusion. Ask him.
Matt?
And
Good,
ask
because I'm
him-
not. I am the absolute
Ask
opposite.
him anything about what you want to do, and he's Mr. Vague. What do you feel like doing? I don't know. What time you want to leave? I don't know. Whenever. What time you want to go hunting? I don't know. Where do you want to hunt? I don't know. Somewhere out there. Where do you want to hunt? I'm like, but then when it comes up to how many miles it is, doing the math on the odometer.
362.5.
And that's what he's saying. It's like, I'm like,
362.5.
dude, it's
You're like-
seriously, you got to be exact on with the number, but you could be as vague as possible on anything
Throw some
else.
toothpicks. How many toothpicks? 4,593. Got to be 4,593.
He did that to me yesterday.
Which
I
is
said,
good, because it's good to have somebody like that, because I'm to measure 6 times and cut once and then figure out that you still screwed it up. So it's good to have somebody that's the numbers guy.
We were going out yesterday, and I said, it's about 7-8 miles. And he's like, well, if you take this and you divide it by 3, it's actually right around 8. And I said, yeah, 7-8 miles. And he's like, no, 8. I'm like, okay, so it's 8. What's...
It's around 8 miles.
Yeah, what difference does it
It
make?
was 25 miles there and back, and then there again. So you do 8 times 3 is 24. So technically, it's over 8 miles. And you say 7-8 miles. Well, it's nowhere near 7 because it's over 8. Then you get all dirty.
Where did you steal that?
My mom gave me that.
Where did she steal it?
She
I
got it
didn't know
from
your mom
something.
was a klepto.
Yeah, she got it from somewhere.
I always had my suspicions. But good to know.
And then how many episodes do we have on average in a season?
Season 6 is going to have 20. Yeah,
20?
20
Yeah.
what episodes?
20 episodes.
I don't get that much footage in the bank. What does this say? Ultimate parkour?
No.
Wow.
It says
A drink
Ultra,
specifically for...
Ultra Paradise.
Oh, I don't have my glasses on. All right.
GrayBear's got a place up here now. Just down the road.
GrayBear's
But what do you think about that?
place in the
Just doing like
Northland.
5-minute
Yeah.
teasers to stay current. Like, yeah, I agree with you. People want to see current, but maybe like we plan on our season releasing
Maybe our
throughout.
fans. Maybe our I don't want to say fans.
You know what? We're gonna release this discussion video.
The people.
Comment.
Our followers.
Hey, comment down below. Let us know what
Comment.
you guys want to see.
Oh, the boss is calling.
So
Time out.
Wait, do I need to pull my pants back in?
Yeah, put your pants back on.
Let me cover this up.
So we're gonna
Whose
leave
socks are
it
these?
up to you, the fans, to decide where we're gonna take Nomad Outdoors and what direction you want them to be.
And don't say to a Vegas strip club, because none of us can afford that nonsense.
No.
Is that what you were talking about? Okay.
That's just silly. So we need to know couple few things. One, when do you want to view the videos? Do you want them when it's not hunting season, so that you can get a little bit of the woods when it's not hunting season, or do you want them through hunting season? So like, pick like how many months do you think? 3 months? Like a 3-month span? 4-month span?
Probably.
About 4. Okay, so pick 4 months, a start to finish. So for example, September to December. You would say you want September to December for the episodes to release. And we'll try and accommodate that, and that's when the seasons will release. What we also could do, if you guys want more active during hunting season to see what's going on with us, we have our typical debates or debriefs, and we could post,
Debates more than debriefs, but
exactly. That's why it's kind of worked out. But we'll release those live as we kind of do them. So like we're not gonna film it live because we gotta edit because we're all
you should look.
we're all mature men. And
So comment.
yes.
What do you want?
Comment
What do you
down
want from
below
us?
and let us know so that we can accommodate to you guys. We want to make it more for the fans. So let us know in the comments section down there. We'll reply to you if you comment. Sorry, who was it that commented that they didn't get their...
That was Mike.
So sorry, Mike, for whatever glitch YouTube caused. We'll get on that, see if we can get it fixed. And also remember, hit the like button. It actually helps us more than you think. So
Him in the back.
I know, we just gotta eat food.
I couldn't help myself. I
That's
didn't
it.
want to
Welcome
yesterday,
to,
but I did today.
Welcome to season 7.
Yes, and let us
New and improved.
let us know so we could get it the way you guys want. We'll either release it spring, summertime, or fall or winter, whatever you guys want for when you want to see the seasons. They'll still, I think the Sunday idea is a great thing. It's like a TV show. You wait for your favorite TV show, whatever it may be, once a week. Well, you could do the same thing with our show on Sundays.
All right. We'll see you next time.